Hello students, all of you know that whole of the periodic table is divided into four categories: S block, P block, D and F. Out of which in class 10 you have studied different type of groups, but in class 11th we have studied different groups in separate manner. Now we will study S block elements. Those elements in which last electron enters into S subshell are called S block element. These are called alkali and alkaline earth metals. Group first element are called alkali metal and group second are called alkaline earth metals. They are called because their oxide and hydroxides are basic in nature and some of them are soluble in water. The alkali metals are characterized by presence of one electron in their outermost orbit, whereas the alkaline earth metals are characterized by presence of two electrons in the valence shell. Now we will discuss group first element. In group first element, the elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. And in case of group second element, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now we will discuss separately group first element, that is alkali metal. The physical properties of alkali metals. The electronic configuration of alkali metals is NS1, that is they contains only one electrons in their outermost orbit, whereas alkaline earth metals consist of two electrons, that is NS2, in their outermost orbits. Now, electronic configuration. The alkali metals I have already discussed to you, that is have one electron in their outermost orbit, starting from lithium to francium. About atomic radii, the alkali metals have the biggest atomic radii in the respective period. Atomic radii increases as we go down in the group due to the addition of new cell in each subsequent step. The ionic radii of the alkali metals are much smaller than their corresponding metals due to lesser number of cell and contractive effect of the increased nuclear charge. About density, these are light metals with low densities. Lithium is the lightest known metal. On moving down the group, density increases from lithium to cesium, because francium जो होता है, it is already in liquid state at ordinary temperature. The density of potassium is lesser than that of sodium because of their abnormal increase in size and moving down from sodium to potassium. The melting and boiling point of the alkali metals are quite low and decreases down the group due to weakening of metallic bond. Francium is liquid at room temperature. About softness, these are soft, malleable and ductile solid which can be cut with the help of knife. They possess metallic cluster when freshly cut due to oscillation of electrons. Now ionization enthalpy. The first ionization enthalpy. What is ionization enthalpy? As name indicate, ionization enthalpy, amount of energy required to pull an electron from the outermost orbit. So then you know very well that they have contains one electron in their outermost orbit. So they want to lose this electron. Therefore, the first ionization enthalpy of alkali metal is the lowest amongst the element in their respective period and decreases on down, moving down the group. The second ionization enthalpy of all the alkali metals are very high. This is very important point. Second ionization enthalpy of all the alkali metals are very high because by releasing an electron, ions acquire noble gas configuration, so removal of second electron is difficult. Electropositive character. Due to low ionization enthalpies, alkali metals are strongly electropositive or metallic in nature and increases from lithium to cesium due to decrease in ionization enthalpy. Now about oxidation state. The alkali metal atoms show only +1 oxidation state because their unipositive ion attain the stable noble gas configuration. The alkali metal ions attain noble gas configuration with no unpaired electrons, so they are diamagnetic in nature. Alkali metals, however, have paramagnetic nature due to one unpaired electron. Now about the flame coloration. Alkali metals and their salt imparts characteristic colors to the flame because the outer electron get excited to highest energy level. This is very important. Alkali metals and their salt impart characteristic color to the flame. This is very important question comes in the board because the color outer electron get excited to higher energy level, and when the electron return to the original state, it releases visible light of characteristic wavelength. This provides a color to the flame. Now hydration of ions. The degree of hydration depends upon the size of the cation. Smaller the size of cation, greater is the hydration enthalpy. You know very well कि relative degree of hydration, that is lithium to sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Now about photoelectric effect. Due to very low ionization enthalpy, alkali metal, especially cesium, exhibit photoelectric effect when exposed to light. So it is used in photoelectric cells. Now electrical conductivity. Due to the presence of loosely held valence electrons which are free to move throughout the metal surface, the alkali metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Electrical conductivity increases from top to bottom in the order given below. Now reducing character, very important one. All the alkali metals are good reducing agent due to their low ionization energy. Their reducing character follow the order: sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and lithium. Lithium is the best reducing agent. This question already comes in the IIT and NEET exam. Which metal is the best reducing agent? That is alkali metals में, that is lithium is the best reducing agent. Thank you.